In this video, I'll show you how to cancel Temu order. First up here in the PC version, just go ahead and go to your profile right here at the top right. Now tap or click on your orders. Click on it. You'll be able to see our order right here. And what we're going to do to cancel it is just go ahead and click on cancel items. Click on it and there will be a pop-up. Just go ahead and click on cancel order. All right. Now to do that on phone, just go ahead and open up your Temu app. Now once it loads, just go ahead over to your U section at the very bottom, tap on it. In here, tap on your orders, tap on it. And again, in here, just go ahead and tap on the order itself. You'll be able to see a cancel items button. Just tap on it. And in here with the same set of prompts, just go ahead and tap on cancel the order. Select the order, next step, and select your reason, of course. Now there will be a prompt. Are you sure you want to cancel all items? Just go ahead and confirm cancellation. As you can see here, the cancellation is in progress. Now, if you ever used a payment method, for example, your bank, all right, that has been already deducted, don't worry. Your refund will be processed after submitting your cancellation request, and you'll receive an email with the details of your refund. Now, if your order has been packed, well, don't worry. You can still choose to return the item for a refund after the package arrives. You can return the items for refund within 90 days after placing the order. Just take note that some special items cannot be returned for refund. All right, and there you have it. And as you can see here, when we go back, one item was canceled. And when we go back to our orders, as you can see, we have just canceled an item. All right, and there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.